reporters set out to uncover the dark truth, he found shocking family secrets. How when Martha was just a child, her mother brutally murdered her father, then committed suicide, and how the Arkhams used their power and money to cover it up. How Martha herself was in and out of institutions for years, and they didn't want anyone to know. Thomas Swain tried to force this crusading reporter into a hush-money agreement to save his mayoral campaign. But when the reporter refused, Wayne turned to longtime secret associate Carl my cell phone.